Another day, guys. Let's see what we have in store today. Leetcode. Okay, gotta sign in. Okay, check if the strings can be made equal with operations. You're given two strings, both of length. Two strings, both of length, for consisting of only lowercase letters. You can apply the following operations of on any of the two strings any number of times. Choose two indices I and j such that the difference is 2. Then swap the two characters at those indices in the string. Return true if you can make the string s1 and s2 equal. So what we are given, so we have, I'm thinking of this as a sliding window problem. Like we have a window of 2. 1 second. Excalibur. Is there a way to just reset the open? No. Save to live collaboration. How do I? Okay. Okay. That's Okay. What do we have again? We have S1 and S2. Let me write in S1, S2. Let's assume our string is A, B, C, B, C, A. Let me also have another character F, F. Well, let me just take an example from okay, right here, A, B, C, D, C, D, A, B. We have A, B, C, D and C, B, A, D. That's what it was, right? C, D, A, B, sorry. C, D, A, and B. Given two strings of both length 4, you can apply the following operations any number of times. Choose any two indices I and j such that the difference is 2. Then swap the two characters at those indices in the string. Return true if you can make string equal. So choose the indices I equals to 0, resulting is CB80. Then indices resulting string. And then 1 to 3 C D A B. Okay, so we also have to preserve the string. Let's what I'm thinking is use sliding window concept to traverse. Okay, and both of them have the same length, right? It should be same length given. Oh, so s1 dot length, s2, it's only 4 characters, s1 and s2. Okay, length given is 4, so we don't really. Okay, let's have another to have a string result equals to, oh, because we can't just, okay, for integer I equals to 0, I must be less than s1 dot length. Let me just have a variable for length. Integer length equals to s1 dot at the end th length. So we'll replace, so we don't have to process the length function again in each loop. And I plus plus, and let me have integer j equals to 2, right? Oh, I plus 2, right? J equals to 2, j must be less than length, right? J should always be less than, if the length is must be less than length minus 2, right? We cannot traverse. Length is 4, I must be 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1 and 2, right? Must be less than equal to. Okay, and j equals to 2, j must also be less than equal to length j plus 2, right? Do we build a string or do we just yes? So if s1 is we will check first if s1 bracket s1 dot character at what I equal to s2 dot character at j and so what do we do? If the character is same, but we can also have another swap, right? Okay, then continue. Is not equal to I equals to 0. 1 second, instead of having the two loops I can just use one loop and integer j equals to I plus 2, right? Check if s1 dot character at I is 0 is not equal to s2 dot character at j return then return false. Right. We have boolean answer equals to false, return answer, and then answer equals to true. Error not a separate type. I thought, couldn't we do 2 skips? Let's see. Okay, and constraints are let's see. But so what they are saying is we should have done a character array here was wrong. Let's have a character array A1 to array of char at pseudo comma s2 dot s1n. S1 dot char at 0 comma s1 dot char at 2. Okay, and then another character array char at 0 and 2, 0 and 2. S2 dot char at 0 and S2 dot char at 1 and 3. Sorry, let me do 0 and 2. Let me copy and paste another. P1, P2, S1 dot char at 1 and 3, 3. Return arrays dot equal. What do we do? Arrays dot equal. Check if A1 is equal to A2 and arrays dot equal B1 is equal to B2, right? ARRA, why does I have triple R? ARRA arrays dot equal equals. Is this wrong? What did I do wrong? Code. Oh, I didn't sort the arrays. Start. But where is it? S1 is A and B, and S2 is C. sort array. Okay, I understand the sort method, because even if we get different arrays, different values, I still have to sort it, so in order it becomes the same. Okay, even though it was an easy problem, I don't know why do I suck at these problems, man. Okay, I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna end the video here.